What's up guys? May 13, 2027. So this video is about how to get your physical ID, physical driving license ID in Murur or the traffic department in Kuwait. So here are the requirements. You have to print your mobile ID, driving license. You have to print your mobile ID, civil ID. You must at least prepare 2 copies each. So if one of the copies loose, so you have still 1 copy left. And then you have to go to approved translation center or approved typing center. Mine was QPoint in Salmiya. After I got the form, I went to Murur here in Jabriya, and then go directly in the right side. I think it was 12 to 15, counter 12 to 15. Then they stamped my form, and then they told me to proceed to the farthest left counter. And then at that counter, I gave the stamped form with attached mobile ID, civil ID copy, and mobile ID, like the driving license copy. So then I also gave my old driving license physical ID. So I actually timed the processing. It only took 5 minutes. It was very fast. Today is Wednesday, so I think this is the day that there's less people processing for this kind of ID. So by the way, I paid 750 fils for the form in QPoint Salmiya and 10 KD for the stamp in Murur here in Jabriya. If you want to process your physical ID, which can be used in the Philippines for 90 days, for example, so I have to use it because I'm going for vacation. So that's why I claimed my physical ID. So in Kuwait, driving license in mobile ID is valid. In Philippines, it will not be accepted. That's why I took this card. So that's it. Follow for more. Take care everyone.